Hey guys, welcome to How to Solution, and in this video we're going to show you guys how you can change your location in Mobile Legends. So at first go to Play Store and then search for Turbo VPN and then install this app. Once it's done, just go to this application and then press on tap to connect. Once it connects, there will be an option called VPN at the top so that it shows you that it's connected. When it does, long press on Mobile Legends and then go to App Info. From there, you have to force stop the app, go to storage usage, clear the cache, clear the data, and then go to permissions and then just allow all of this and make sure location is also allowed. And when you, go back to permissions into location and then turn this one off. And basically that is how you can change your location in Mobile Legends. This is it for the video. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this, and until then, take care.